Alright, so on the Prelude, um, we basically just took this engine and transmission out of a different car and put it into here and getting everything kind of buttoned back together. The big problem with this is the body is a 96, the engine is a 92. Even though it's the same H23A1 engine code, the crank position sensor on this car was on the crank. On the 92, the crank position sensor is on the cam. So we're going to have to change the wiring a little bit to get that to work. And in the meantime, James is helping me replace the timing belt, which we checked and it was off by, one of the cams was off by a tooth. So it was good we checked it, and I get a Gates timing belt on it, so that should be a little more safe. Not much else to say on this. We got to do some work with the intercooler and get that situated so that it's not a mess. So I may end up running this car for a little while with no bumper until we get the intercooler situation sorted out. And that's pretty much it for the Prelude.